Hello, welcome to Gospel Share Missions. 4 Fields Discipleship Multiplication Training. In the last video we shared tool number 1, the relational map. Now, this is tool number 2, Person House of Peace. This tool is also found in the empty field. Sometimes we can become discouraged when we see people who want nothing to do with God. But there are empty fields around us, people, houses of peace who are ready to know Jesus. A person of peace is a person with a receptive heart. If there are no receptive hearts in your relational map, then you can use this tool number 2, Person, House of Peace. In the relational map tool, these are people we know and relate to. But in Person House of Peace tool, these are people we don't know but God will bring into our life. In the Bible, we see how Jesus first sent his disciples to the places where he was about to go, to identify people, houses of peace. And he gives some instructions on do's and don'ts. In your training, ask the participants to locate page 9 in the notes and drawings. Start reading Luke chapter 10 verses 1 to 9. In this passage, what did Jesus tell the disciples to do when they seek the Son of Peace? Ask them to fill in the blank spaces. They had to pray and go 2 by 2. Say peace to the house. Stay in that house. Eat and drink what is given. Heal the sick. Pray for them. Say the kingdom is near. Preach about it. Not welcomed? Shake off the dust. Now, in this same passage, what did Jesus tell the disciples not to do? Ask them to write in the blank spaces. Don't take a purse, 0 budget needed. Don't take a bag, trust in God's provision. Don't take sandals, depend on God. Don't greet on the road, stay focused, don't get distracted. Don't move house to house. Give time, don't rush. Characteristics of a person of peace. Ask them to write in the blank spaces. They receive the messenger. They receive the message. They receive the mission. Examples of persons of peace. Ask them to write in the blank spaces. John chapter 4, the woman at the well. Mark 2, Levi. Luke chapter 19, Zacchaeus. Acts 8, the eunuch. Acts 10, Cornelius. Acts 16, Lydia. Acts 16, the jailer. In this passage we see Jesus' strategy to evangelize. Jesus sent his disciples where he was about to go. The disciples went. Jesus comes to the houses who received his disciples and brings salvation to them. Summarizing. There are empty fields, people, houses of peace around us who are ready to know Jesus. You have now been equipped to identify them. When you identify an empty field, a person, house of peace, now you share the gospel with the tools of the next field, the seated field. God bless you as you equip yourself to train others who train others. See you in the next video of tool number 3.